We all hate having to take more than one trip, especially when hauling a lot of things like groceries, tools, or even your kids from place to place. But thanks to foldable multi-wagons, it's now easy to set up a wagon, put everything you need in it, and then fold it up in seconds and place it in your trunk. Whether you're looking for a wagon to transport your kids to the park or beach, tools around your garden, equipment to concerts, or even groceries to your car, we have rounded up 5 of the best foldable wagons on the market today. For the best prices and more information about these products, check the links in the description below. And now let's start. Number 1 is the Ozark Trail Folding Multipurpose Wagon. This wagon from Ozark is a perfect buy when you want to haul all of your essentials around the campsite. You won't have to worry about bringing several bags, just pull one wagon. With its 7-inch heavy-duty PVC wheels, you can make sure that pulling it will be a breeze. In addition to those heavy-duty wheels, this foldable wagon is portable enough with a quad-fold design to fit in close areas of your garage or car. It's made up of a durable steel frame and double-layer fabric that can hold up to 225 pounds with an assembled weight of 19.6 pounds. Steering won't be an issue thanks to the ergonomic telescopic handle that steers the wagon easily even with a full load. It also has a carry handle that'll double up as the switch to fold up the wagon. To aid in support, the MDF board insert is added at the bottom of the wagon so it won't sag or be uneven. The wagon comes with a slim carrying case that securely houses the wagon when folded. The bag is slim enough to give you plenty of extra space in your trunk. At number 2 is the Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Foldable Wagon. If you've got kids, then the Radio Flyer 3-in-1 wagon is perfect for you. This 3-in-1 wagon can easily fit 2 kids comfortably while having a secure seatbelt so they won't fall or stand up while you're steering. A zipper on the side can put down one flap, and you can turn it into a sitting bench for kids. These 2 features are in addition to the hauling function of this wagon that has a maximum capacity of 150 pounds. This wagon from Radio Flyer passed all of the toy safety standards, making it safe and perfect for your kids. The thick and padded seats ensure a comfortable ride. The fabric can be easily wiped clean thanks to the DuraClean feature, so you don't have to worry about messes or stains. Another feature that moms or dads are surely going to love is the one-handed fold. If you have your hands full, it can be folded with just one pull of the carry handle in the middle. It folds up flat, and this space saver is great for families that have a lot of bags or other items. The wagon has a telescopic handle that makes it easy to steer the wagon. Add to that the Quiet Ride tires, and you've got the perfect ride for your kids who are above 1.5 years old. Are you enjoying things so far? Well, before we head on to our third product, we'd like to take this moment to ask you to subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon so you can be notified for every video we upload. At number 3 is the Best Choice Products Folding Utility Cargo Wagon Cart. The unique feature is that this wagon has a canopy that protects your things or little ones from rain and sun. The canopy can easily be removed and reattached. This multi-wagon from Best Choice Products is especially made to carry all of your camping items, gardening utensils, groceries, small items, and your children, all while being foldable and portable, a special must-have. The wagon is made up of a strong, solid, powder-coated steel frame that boasts superior durability. It also has a strong steel handle and heavy-duty wheels, making it easy to pull even when you max it out at its capacity of 150 pounds. This utility cargo wagon features a main large compartment that you can cover with the removable canopy. It's big enough to house all the things that you need to carry and pull. It has another small compartment at the back that can house smaller items, and it has 2 cup holders for those bottles that always seem to find their way on the floor when you're moving around with your kids. Speaking of spills, the material of the wagon is durable and waterproof, making it easy to clean just by wiping the surface. The size of the foldable wagon is small enough to fit in the tightest spots of your car trunk and is great for easy transportation. At number 4 is the Sienna Compact Folding Outdoor Utility Cart. This utility cart is perfect for do-it-all parents who are out there transporting their kids from beach trips to sporting events to school. But it's just as useful for non-parents who will be able to carry groceries, tools, and other items easily. This utility cart from Sienna can hold up to 150 pounds thanks to the heavy-duty steel frame and durable 600D polyester fabric. The fabric itself is easy to clean, making it ideal for using it for groceries, toys, food, even using gardening tools that you need to transport. One great feature about this wagon is its all-terrain rubber wheels, making it easy to pull the wagon over various terrain, which makes it ideal to bring things to a concert, trip to the beach, or camping adventure. The folded size is compact enough to fit in your trunk or even under the shelves of a garage. It can be set up in seconds, making it a great choice for a lot of customers. Last but not least, at number 5 is the Mack Sports Folding Utility Wagon. For those looking for a simpler design, then this wagon from Mack Sports will do the trick. It boasts a large capacity compartment with inside dimensions of 32.5 by 17.5 by 10.5 inches. This utility wagon can be set up in seconds and there's no assembly required. What's amazing is that despite the huge compartment when spread out, the folded dimensions only come down to 8 inches thick. It's also included with a folded carrying case, making it easy to bring anywhere you need. You can load up to 150 pounds of anything you want to transport thanks to the heavy-duty steel frame and durable 600D fabric. The fabric is easy to clean and UV and mildew resistant. To keep beverages secure while you wheel your wagon around, there are 2 mesh cup holders included in the front part near the handle. The handle is adjustable and durable to allow effortless transportation and navigation. This wagon is perfect for transporting your gear to outdoor events, concerts, trips, taking your groceries out to the car, or things to the park. However, one thing to note is that this wagon is not made to transport children. And there you have it, the top 5 foldable multi-wagons on the market today. We hope that you found the one you need to haul things from one place to another. For the best prices and more information on each of these products, check the links in the description below. If you have a comment, suggestion, or would love to see a product reviewed, leave a comment down below and our research team will be happy to review it for you. And finally, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can be notified of our upcoming videos and subscribe to our channel for even more fantastic reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of the fair and square product reviews.